Good morning, friend. Today I am here, Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today we are going to discuss about the age safety professional. How to perfectly work and take responsibility and accountability at your workplace. At workplace. So, guys, safety officers. Why safety officers need at construction project and any industry? You think about the why safety officers needed at construction any industry, because of two reasons is there mentioned. First is there mentioned legal requirement. Also safety officers needs as per government rules and as per uh, act, and BOCW act section number 38 also mentions safety officers need if more than 500 worker working at your construction project and any industry. Second thing is there mention moral. Moral means if you have no any safety officer, then who persons monitor the safety? Because of that engineers and supervisors man forcing of work reinforcement, because of they have responsibility and target given by management to achieve the production on time period. So that times they cannot proactively approach to safety. Sometimes safety shortcuts used. Suppose that not proper scaffoldings erected. Suppose that if needed scaffolding, then work carried out by ladder. If any work pressures will be high, then this is a human behavior to violate the safety at workplace. So safety officers dedicated deploy at workplace, because of this is sense of only for safety, not productions. If any safety officer, safety managers need to be involvement to workforce and complete the work, then this is not perfect to a safety professionals, because of they have responsibility defined by organization. Defined means safety officer means safe for cultures develop at workplace. If you have not developed the health safety culture at workplace, then this is not your job is good, and you are not following the rules and regulations as per defined by your organization. So guys, this is important because of our world overwise world. Data of accidents is very robust, because of that 3.301 and 313 persons injury related the job work, and 7.8 lakh persons died due to unhealthy and unsafe work at workplace. This is a data from collect. Sorry for that. So guys, there is a mentioned accident data is very high in our entire world, because 2.78 millions death on every years dead due to some persons going to workplace, but they cannot return to they cannot back to our home. Family are waiting for our parents, our husbands will be come, but nothing's come, because of they have to some region of safety, negligence of safety, they die on workplace. So this is a very robust condition of our entire world. 7 point second data is 7,700 peoples, 700 people's person die death related the occupational health disease. Like you have a RMC plant, then worker involved to work without nose mask. You can understand what will be happen if not nose mask not using during the concreting, during the cementations work, then what will be happen in future. So guys, if more than 6 years 1 years working worker same without any safety precaution, then that may be chance of his lungs will be damaged. So 7,700 people dead due to accident, due to work related work related disease, because of they have working a construction site like 6 months 4 months, they can go back to home. There is some systems will be symptom will be there, or after that going to hospital, the doctor said to your lungs will be damaged because of they have not using the hand glove, using the nose mask, using the goggles, and not precautions taken during the workplace, so that persons will be death. Because of this is a fact of, if you are not taking safety precautions, you're not taking the safety precaution, that may be harm to your health and workplace. After that, 180 million people's work disease means data is this data is very very high. 180 million persons injured and disease related the workplace disease at entire our world. This data given by and told by ILO, International Labour Organization. Then we have to follow the safety rules, safety system at workplace. So guys, this analysis data is very difficult to our entire country. So as a safety professional, you have working at safety manager position, safety officer position, then need to be work by heartily. And if you are going to save human life, this is very difficult to save human life, because of they have is a challenges of job, because of you know that at unskilled workers working at workplace, they have not understand about the safety. So as well as we have to take responsibility and do our job. So how to improvement a safety cultures need to be is check the inspections. If you have machinery, electricals equipment, then need to be make a schedules and check weekly basis and fortnightly basis, because of if you have not inspections any machines, they can use by mistakenly at workplace and maybe happen any injury. So safety inspections schedules need to be involvement and check the all entire heavy equipment, tower cranes, cutting bending machine, passenger hoist, vehicle movement, electrics like DB panels, earth resistance, everything will be checked by safety officer, and record should be maintained. Second thing trainings. Trainings should be need to all employee and workers because of they have not understand and continuous focusing, then they can improve health safety culture at workplace like toolbox talk, competency levels check before entry at workplace, and safety induction trainings by audio and visuals, toolbox talk, work permit systems, and inspection of work permit, job specific training, safety committee meeting, staff safety committee meeting, weekly basis review safety meetings, that all are should be considered, and involvement of safety officer that can improve a good health safety culture at your workplace. Because of if you have not involvement related the job because of not involved to work, then that may be chance of negligence by supervision, project supervisors, project manager, also workers who was not aware your workplace because they have not mentality thinks of safety, and sometimes some organizations not providing proper safety, yes, proper safety equipment, should not follow the safety rules. So guys, proper safety monitorings after that daily basis safety observations conduct, and how to compliance on focus on your compliant by the concerned persons, then we can improvement at a good health safety cultures at workplace. Sometimes motivation should be need. Like we have monthly basis some workers motivated due to good health safety culture maintained at workplace, and also staff included in that in that criteria. After the safety committee meetings need to be involvement of workers and consultant by workers, they can understand about the there is safety is very important. So guys, each safety officers also asked to me how to improvement and how to safe work at workplace. This is important to all. Continuous guidance your project manager if you have seen any safety violations, any unsafe conditions, so there is no improvement, that then you can contact with your project managers and inform to morally and request to that this is a very risky work, then stop the work and some solutions and resolve this issue. This is all are related the job of safety officers. So guys, you have working a professional safety professional, then need to be considered because of that human life is very important at workplace. That there is happen one mistakes and one accident in Pune like Ahluwalia or company and Shastri Nagar. There is 5 people's death because of this is a big negligence by supervisor and engineers. They cannot proper supporting of steel structures while before you start the work, and due this negligence has to be taken to be damages 5 people's family because one simple mistakes. That this is a robust condition, robust of in negligence of poor negligence of safety person and also engineers because of they have take a work permit systems, everything's in taken, but one mistakes and 5 persons death in workplace is on a spot death. That this is a not perfect to you compromise with health and safety, and some family disturb and some family will be the morals and demorals at workplaces. So guys, if you have a safety professional, need to be think about this. So guys, think positive and also be positives. If any questions, any safety related problem, resolve by mentality and diplomatic way, and need to be improvement by continuous hammering, continuous focus. Don't fail and be encouraged every times. Then we can a good health safety cultures will be maintained at your workplace. Thanks.